How to view private Instagram account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you cannot view a private Instagram account without following them or without being accepted your follow request. So the most simplest and most effective way to view a private account is sending them a follow request. To do so, simply launch your Instagram application. Then tap on the profile of the of the person that you want to send follow request or you want to view your profile to. And then all you have to do is tap on the follow button. Now, unlike public account, it won't be directly followed, but you have to wait for the other person to let you in their account. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.